What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis and this is Finley right here, and right now we are heading up to the mountains for a nice little Memorial Day camping time. So follow along with our journey. We're gonna go see some cool sights and enjoy the nature for this amazing holiday. So let's get on today's video. What's going on, guys? We finally made it to this trail, and let me tell you, it was a really grueling trail. My homie's Chevy 1500 right here. I don't know how it made it through the trail. Check out these tires. What are those? Dude, what's wrong with these tires? How old are these things?
Well, I bought the truck from my brother 6 years ago, and they were a lot nicer than they are now.
Damn! And she made it.
Hey, but that's the worst one, okay?
Good old Z71 right here.
Yep.
Alright, guys, I just wanted to show you my camp setup that I recently kind of set up now. So we got the nice tire swing out with the grill, little Coleman. I need a new one, so we got this guy right here. Boom! We got the cool cutting board action there, and rocking the American flag because, you know, there's a reason why we have 3-day weekend this weekend, and thank everybody that was involved with that. Appreciate it. Right now you're just sitting around a little fire pit right here drinking some beers, and now we're making some dinner, and I'll show you guys what we're making for dinner here. So far I'm loving this little swing out deal, because like you can tell this is already full of stuff. Then we got this right here, and we're making some nice Cajun style wieners. And we got some pasta salad right here. I'm grilling up. We got a nice little sunset right now. And homie's got the jet boil, dude. $9.99? What the hell? Yeah, and then we got some, some Italian sausages and cherries. We're eating good tonight. What the fuck is that, dude? What the fuck is that? We got a wiener fucking tortilla. Damn. Good morning, everybody. We woke up this morning and it was a little chilly out. I don't know how Chad Bod slept, but he slept in his truck. and it was fine. I was a little chilly. I only brought like one blanket, one pillow, and Mr. Finn over here, so we were a little cold. Just watch me set down camp, and we're gonna head back into town up to Strawberry. All right, guys, I always forget about this one. Overland Series exhaust, baby. Morning. I'm honestly super surprised that Chad Bod's Chevy 1500 made it out to these trails with dry rotted and bald tires. So that means anyone can do it. Anyone can get out here and have fun. Make sure you pack in, pack out, and do the right thing, you know? So I used to have a truck like that, 94 Chevy 1500, sidestep green, and yeah, this is doing just fine. Almost 300,000 miles on it, and it's doing great. You gonna embrace your Chad Bod and fucking lift some big old logs for me? All right, let's get it. All right, we finally found a spot after what, like 3 hours of looking. So right now we got the truck posted up on the rock right there. We got Chad's truck over there. Then we got this beautiful view over here. You can kind of see the little town of Strawberry right here. So when the sun goes down, we'll be able to see the Strawberry lights. All right, Chad Bod told me to stock in a White Claw. I'm probably gonna lose, so
Plank and drink.
drink.
Plank and
Okay.
drink.
Barely busy. I haven't done that in years. All right, everybody, we're gonna take our shower before I get too drunk out here. So we're gonna use our new 23-0 shower with our geyser shower water pump deal. So let's hope it all works out. I'm kind of a little nervous that it's gonna suck, but yeah, let's get to it before I get too drunk and don't want to take a shower. All right, everybody, we got it connected to our 12-volt power source right there. We kind of got it hanging off right there, and then we got our nice little squeegee sponge guy right there. Then we got our soap and our clothes hanging right there. So we're gonna try to take a shower. I don't know, it's kind of a pain in the ass, but let's give it a shot. Okay, washing my balls. Woo! It's pretty fucking cold. Okay. Wet. I'm gonna soap up, I guess, right?
Drink Happy Dad. Not sponsored.
Oh yeah. Yeah, guys, it's pretty nice. A bit interesting. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but
Out of 10?
but it's a 6. 6 out of 10. All right. It's a little pain in the ass, but we got a shower. All right, guys, if you're looking to get a shower, definitely buy one if it's on sale, but don't pay full price for it because yeah, it's expensive. It's a little pain in the ass, but great. Go buy a shower. They're really nice. All right, everybody, if you're thinking about getting a shower, try out the geyser shower. It's all right. It's like, you know, you feel clean after. It's a little pain to set up and get it figured out. Make sure to have someone on the outside to fill you up with water if you run out, because then you'll be screwed. But right now I'm making some dinner. Come check it out. We got some steak fajitas with some Velveeta mac and cheese. We're gonna mix it up together and we're gonna munch. We're making it in our coffee percolator right now, and it's gonna taste good. All right, guys, we got some Velveeta fajita, steak fajita right here. It doesn't look very good, but it's pretty fucking bomb. So just try it out next time you go camping. All right, everybody, we're gonna drink some beer and then go to bed. So I'll see you guys in the morning when I make some coffee in the morning, and we're heading home tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then. Good morning, everybody. We're gonna pack up camp real quick. We just did, and now we're gonna hit the town and probably get home before all the Payson traffic, because it's gonna be real busy on the road if we don't get out here soon. So we're heading out right now, and I'll give you guys a little MagnaFlow Overland Series exhaust cold start. Yeah, pretty nice. Pretty nice. All right, guys. Day 2 was pretty nice. Slept really good in the tent. I got a lot more drunker last night, so that's probably why I passed out real quick. Honestly, I'm so surprised Chad Bod's truck made it. He has like 300,000 miles on that Chevy 1500. Ball tires, dry rotted as hell, and he pretty much did everything he did today. Well, I've been telling him he wants a 2nd gen Colorado. I keep telling him, dude, just pull the trigger and get one. You can get a decently cheap fucking 2nd gen Colorado and be the happiest you could be. So, Chad Bod, leave it down in the comments. Chad Bod needs a 2nd gen, and we'll build it on the channel. We'll get him on the cool stuff on a 2nd gen. So, all right, guys, let's we're hitting the trail right now. All right, everybody. Chad Bod just called me right now, and he's at the gas station, and his tire fucking blew up. So, insert clip right now. Lesson learned: never go on a camping, overland, off-roading trip with shitty tires. He learned his lesson. Now he's got a flat tire out in Payson, and his lug nuts are stripped because he didn't take his tire off in fucking 7 years. So, poor guy. He's getting AAA, and he's gonna get home probably at like 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. But right now it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and we're heading home. I had to take an emergency dumpers with a 23-0 camp shower porta potty thingy on the way home. So hope you guys like this video. A lot of people don't watch my overlanding videos. I wish you guys did. The views are down. Please help your boy out. We're out here having fun, and I want to have fun with you guys. So just hope you guys like this video. I'm on my way home now. I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check out my website, DOWNTIMELOST.com. Please help your boy out. But I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.